In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz in Jotform. We'll walk through building a form, adding questions, turning on grading, setting correct answers with points, and customizing how results show to your respondents. By the end, you'll have a polished, auto-scored quiz that's clear and easy to take. Start by opening Jotform and creating a new form. Click Create Form, then choose whether you want to start from scratch or use template. Starting from scratch gives you full control over layout and styling from the beginning. If you prefer a quick head start, pick Use Template and search for Quiz. Templates can save time with pre-built structures that you can edit later. Either way, you'll land in the form builder, ready to add your questions. Next, add your quiz questions from the Form Elements panel. Use multiple choice for checkboxes with more than one correct answer, and single choice when there should only be one correct option. Dropdown is great when you want a compact list of choices. Use short text for written responses that require a specific word, phrase, or number. Type your question text clearly, then enter the answer options where applicable. Keep options concise and mutually exclusive, and make sure questions are focused on one idea at a time to avoid confusion. Now enable grading for your form. Click Settings at the top, go to Form Settings, and turn on Quiz Mode. This activates the quiz features so the form can evaluate answers and calculate scores automatically. With Quiz Mode on, set the correct answers for each question. Click a question to select it, open Properties on the right, then scroll to Quiz Properties. Choose the correct answer or answers and assign points for that question. Use consistent point values for equal weight items, or give more points to harder questions if that fits your goals. For written responses, decide how you'll phrase the exact correct answer and keep spelling consistent. Repeat this process for each question so every item is graded properly. Finally, customize how results appear. In Settings, open Quiz Settings. You can show the score after submission so respondents see their results immediately, and you can choose to reveal which answers were correct or incorrect. Set a passing score to define a clear benchmark, and enable instant feedback if you want learners to see outcomes as they go. Use immediate feedback for practice and review, and keep results private if it's a formal assessment. That's it, your Jotform quiz is ready to grade itself and give clear results to your audience.